Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting VTT subtitle files to CSV. You can have on my computer example VTT file, and I can open it into VTT viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside VTT file. And you can see it have a start time, end time, and text. It's typical for subtitle file. And it's free app. I will leave link on this app into description. It also allows to export into different format as well. I will be converting this file to CSV with application I will install from my website. This is my website. To find app, I'll click on search and type VTT, and then click on VTT convert file and click on VTT to CSV. And after page will load, I will click on download to download archive on my computer. I'll be recording more videos on VTT converters and other subtitle file converters, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. We are waiting for a file to be downloaded in a second from Google Cloud. Yep. I will click on downloaded file and double click on MSI inside file to start and click on more info. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start the installation and click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see I have new application installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. On step 1 we will have to select input file. I'll click on this button, navigate to my subtitles folder and select my file. I can add more files if I want to. I can if I hit Ctrl A on this, I can select all files into folder and add them here. And after all files selected, I'll click on next. And there are no conversion options here. I'll click next step again and I click run to convert file, and it's asking me for name and location of the file. This name is okay, just click save and you can see file has been saved. Let's go and see file. So I can double click to open it into CSV viewer. It's a free app showing what is inside of CSV data. You can see it's all our subtitles. I can also right click open it with Excel mobile. It's a free version of Excel, like it's not allowing me to edit anything, but it's showing what is inside of CSV file. And you can see it has all subtitle data in it. Or I can open it with Notepad just to show you what is inside. So converted CSV file will look like this. First line is column names and all other lines are data, comma separated. Basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more videos like this and more application like this, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.